Hey, what's up guys? Here's a quick update video on the Mustang. I have my Amazon 16-inch electric fan I installed. I built a little fan shroud for it. It seems to be working out pretty good. I haven't done any in traffic driving with it yet. It's just been sitting in the driveway warming up. Using the Shroud electric fan controller. I'll put the description, the links, the Amazon links for the fan and the fan controller in the description. I got the main key on engine power coming from this connector right here. This is all temporary wiring right now until I get everything sorted out, and I'll shorten the wires and put some wire loom on it. But this went to the air pump. I think that was the connector for it, one of the air pump connectors. I just used a red wire, just key on 12 volts. Yeah, see that little terminal just fell right out of there too. So yeah, so that's where I get my signal wire from to control the controller. I got the temperature sender going into the water neck right here, and that plugs into the harness over here. So yes, it seems to be doing pretty good. Slowly but surely getting this car finished up. Hope to be driving it on the road in the next couple weeks. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Subscribe. I'll post the links to the parts in the description, and if you could, or if you do order, click the link, and that will help me make these videos. I'll get a little percentage from the sales. Take it easy.